Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick update about what I am seeing here on the NQ after this crazy week, okay? Here's what I'm seeing, and unpredictable also, right? I mean, geez, Amazon, we thought that Amazon was going to really drive the NQ up today, and look what happened. That is not what happened. So here's what I'm seeing right now. We are still inside of this larger swing from the 16th of February high to the 5th of March low, okay? The target off of that swing is this 14,347. There is a third target from this smaller swing, okay, that comes in at 14,383. So anywhere 14,347 to 83. Then I also have a target off of this swing inside the swing, which is 14,129. Then there's this smaller, more recent swing. The target off of it is 14,157. So we've got that zone, 14,129 to 57, that we are looking at for targets. Now, what about support from what we're seeing back here? That's what I have for you here, okay? So we are still inside of this larger swing right here. That's the target 14,157 that you saw on the daily. Then we've actually got a second target from the swing inside the swing here at 14,094. And then today was a bit confusing, but it kind of correlated with what happened yesterday. We came down to the support at 13,818, bounced, came up to the 618. This was the overnight fail. Came down, retested that same zone, bounced, came up to that 618 again, failed. Okay. If that low from today is any good, your target off of that smaller swing inside the swing is going to be 14,024. Of course, I did give you some resistance on the way up from that swing at 13,982. And then we've got the target off of this swing, which is from yesterday, 14,130. And then we've got the resistance coming in 14,004 to 24, which that is correlating with that target from today's swing there. All right, everybody, that's what I've got for you for now. Actually, I've got one more thing for you I guess I could show you, and that is this. I've got 10-minute resistance coming in, 13,883 to 84, so that's some closer resistance than the resistance you're seeing on the 120-minute chart. That's why we'd like to look at different time frames, okay, because different time frames show us different things. This is showing us the overall picture. This is showing us the bounces in the last couple days, and this is showing something shorter term that we need to watch out for because we are now failing from that resistance. Okay. All right, everybody. I hope you have an awesome weekend, and I will talk to all of you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me